Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
Yo, honored.
You're okay? You're okay. Why am I so far back? What am I doing?
I know
What's up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and welcome back to my messed up bangs. Nah, I'm joking. What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with the same fit, of course. Why? Because I just made a video for you guys, and I'm back again. But in this video, this is going to be a hair review video featuring Vrbest. Oh, Vrbest. Oh, or is it You Are Best? Why is it always something in every video? But anyways, I'm going to be featuring this hair company, which is 100% virgin hair, of course, y'all. And, oh, it's called Vrbest Hair. I knew it was a V. Vrbest Hair. When I open the box, I get a weaving cap. These lashes, which are mad cute, y'all. But they might be too long and dramatic for me, because I'm like simple. They get a card with the information on it that has their email, their telephone, WhatsApp number, their Instagram, Facebook, Amazon account, Amazon link, and Google link. And also, before I get into the hair, I also get this bag, which is cute because I can walk around with my bundles in this when I'm about to go get my hair done, or of course when I'm about to get my hair done, or if I make a wig, I will what the heck is in my face? Or if I make a wig, I will, when I'm not wearing it, I can always put the wig in this bag, which comes in handy a lot of times. But guys, now let's get to the hair. I got a closure this time. Honestly, I'm not really feeling closures anymore. I'm on the frontal side because like this hair is a frontal. I'm on the frontal side, but I'm like, hey, let's change it up. I want to get a closure. So I got everything. I got everything, all 18 lengths, guys. And this, now, before I even open this hair or whatever, I've been fiending to get my hands on this texture. I would say this pattern of hair. And you guys guessed it. Yeah. Hold on. You guys didn't guess yet. What? How am I going to take this off? Oh, I don't want to take it off. Okay, I'm gonna just rip it. Like Medea said, rip it. Okay. So I got loose wave, y'all. I've been feeling to get my hand on some loose wave hair, and I finally got it because I like the way it looks. It's like wand curls. So I feel like this is about to be mad short on me. Yep, it is. I should have got 20. But I can always straighten it or comb it out. But y'all, first things first is absolutely no smell to the hair. Shedding. Let's do a shedding test. And let's see. Okay, nothing. Try it again. Okay, nothing. Third time for the third time. Third time's the charm, you know. Wow, even with that tingle, guys, I got nothing in my hand. That's what's up. That's what's up. Okay. So far the hair is shed free. Smell free. Nah, let me stop playing. But nah, y'all, this hair feels soft and everything. I love the curls. Look at the bounce though. I've been feeling for a loose wave hair and I finally got my hands on it, y'all. How I look. Well, let me know down below if you guys want to see me color this hair, or if I should just leave it black. But then again, this will be like my third black wig that I have. Yeah, this will be my third black wig that I have. I don't know, I may put highlights in this, or I really don't know, y'all. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I need help. So you guys gotta help me out down below, for real. I need help. But this is such a pretty wave, yo. Oh my god, this hair is so pretty. Okay. Now let's go to the closure. And let's see how this closure is looking. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. The closure feels way softer than the bundles. Like, no chuck. The closure feels mad soft. Okay. The closure is pretty... Wow. Oh, the closure is pre-plucked, which I'm jacking already, you know, saves me time and work. The part probably I'll have to just part the part a little bit. I'll probably just have to pluck the part a little bit. But overall, nah, the closure is good. Now let's see the closure shedding. Okay, you have one strand. You guys see that one strand? Do you guys see this one strand that came from the closure? The closure has one strand. Where did I put the rest of that hair? The closure has one strand of hair that's shedding. Yeah, that was just one strand. Yeah. Yeah, that was one strand. So far, I would recommend this hair. So far. And I'm saying that because I want to get like a more feel of the hair. But I would, for now, I honestly recommend this hair. I feel like I don't feel any bad vibes from this hair. You know how you feel like your bun was about to mess up? But nah. So far, this hair is pretty good. I wonder how it takes coloring though, because I think I might discolor it. I don't know, y'all. I'm really stuck. But this hair is really pretty. I can't get over the pattern. Like, oh shoot! And then when you twist it, it goes right back. Cute girl. I'm about to look like a cute granny rocking my loose wave. Now honestly I don't think I'm gonna color it, because I feel like if I color it, the pattern, like I feel like if I color it, the pattern may not be there still. You know what I'm saying? But you know when you color bundles, like the pattern loosens up. But I feel like I don't care, because I could always wand it. Like I could really always wand it. But I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm so indecisive right now. I'm like super indecisive right now. But yeah, so overall I would recommend this hair. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave all the information down below. I low-key thought they sent me, like, I don't know. This is different. I never got a card like this in a hair box. But yes. For the last time I'm saying this, overall I would recommend this hair. And also I want to give a shout out to Vrbest for even reaching out to me to do this collaboration, working with them. But guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to click on that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos. But until then guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years right up.